Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to say
Nyamiadum bibi aboko now say.
Nyamiadum.
Ebe nyamiase.
United just here for
fata menso.
Fata papa. Ese me twe ba United.
Unim say before say me ba no. Na omo ka share me say oh Kingsman no kwa Richard oni fee to kwa. Na me say dey me kra me enjoy papa. Yes. Now was say me choose sides.
Okay.
But unfortunately, me go soft sports pa de ma Alonso. Me won say when we na ejuma o Madrid na e ma ne call ye.
Oh, soft heart.
Edema Alonso
no Chelsea for no coach.
Me before the start of the season, na my dream na say oh me yenko Alonso e chine Chelsea.
Indirectly na say oh yeah a Chelsea kakra.
But for the mere.
Around him ni be nya problem.
But mere.
Season we be I see me too.
My entire tie for na. Yeah mo adma. Which I don't say in the history of European football clubs that has built a dynasty are dominating their success. There is one thing that is very significant and attached to them. And Tibere Jose Mourinho team crowd the Babeji 2004 Chelsea. Oben Terry and Carvalho was more the heart of the defense. Over 2007-8, the famous Manchester United team having Vidic, Ferdinand, Mone, Evra. Even Real Madrid 2014, you see Varane, Ramos, Marcelo and Carvalho. So it means in football, if you want to build a dynasty, one thing that is very important is the consistency of your backline. Jose Mourinho proud to game and Obebo as a starter for Real Madrid, a grantee interview. And in your headline, baby, because for almost a decade after Sophie Spain, now you hear that controversial talks from Jose Mourinho. Now, in summer, how can I try and say? Only need first 11. No compare first 11 for Real Madrid. Yes, Udu baby, I'll bet I see because a team they already have the squad or the experience about the count. So in normal football terms and football science, our team competition is very important. So we need to experiment. It's accepted. But on the other score, the reality of the matter, no crepani you say. For football, the center back pair for nothing at all. One position now, football science and psychology, but culture say it needs that interrelationship, that communication. Hey, the center back. Oh, I did now. The fullback. I.e., one of the major problems are Alonso now Real Madrid. A time or by injuries are not disrupting the defenders of Real Madrid into a lot of experiments, inconsistency.
Militao.
Thank you. Injuries. Nti Alabani Rudy Gabo enfa. Tin Hoisini Webebo enfa. When you are consistent back there. Inti Paris Saint-Germain team nether on. If all things being equal, we get them patch on the Macron was bebo. So Ramos your faith, Varane your foot. They will play the consistency, the communication, that blind trust. Inti center back Bakunim say Ojina only way nebo. That relationship is there. So Jose Mourinho, we understand say you've had experience to the already center backs at Real Madrid. But one thing that affected Real Madrid team, they say, the inconsistency, that experiment, Madrid yeni bebre for the center back. Center back role in say forward now. Individually, Vinicius Bejebo Atrianse, Lami Yama Bejebo Atrianse. They need that organization, that chemistry, that telepathy. And to Jose Mourinho, we need competition, yes, but for the good day in the big games, and also a solid center backs that you says how two pay we will complement each other. This is being the brew where you get the brain, where you get the cover for Real Madrid. Unim say it is evident say one thing that hinder the development of Dean Huijsen, the inconsistency of BCI. Because nobody can doubt say Dean Huijsen is a talent, a proper talent. But time about Real Madrid, no. According to football science, you can play develop your consistency. Or buy only way bonnet with Siade. By the time or buy Militao will play. And only David Alaba two left-footed players and only Rudy Gabo and there are games that are very evident. So Jose Mourinho, he has to make an experiment from the midfield, bring the balance and the creativity. But his strategy is teams that build dynasty, they are having a solid and a concrete backer. Richard, tell me your and Mourinho said no kind. Yes, there players there, but these are some of the things that Real Madrid faithfuls want to see in the team. And a lot of issues against Atiko by mistake. But when he had Emerick Laporte in the World Cup, at the Fonte Motia say, World Cup away, they won't even concede 3 goals. Solid or youngest player. So for the back four, for the center back, they need what we call the blind trust and that interrelational communication. And I think Mourinho should factor these things now embark Real Madrid team. And they just say Mourinho against Espanyol. There are some things Real Madrid be expecting from Jose Mourinho. at the proper time awabeji Real Madrid ejuma to keep that troughless season 2 years Real Madrid ako. Yes, and him say he had a timer or yeah, and the signing say a very fine preseason onya. But how he can transform that performance from the preseason to the game is a different conversation altogether. And now Madrid probably see the injury list. But our squad with the exception of Chouameni and your list are bebre because Enrique Monfala Mendy Muniade and your dear Real Madrid bebre. Baby, I will be judgment. The ground is very slippery. And Mourinho no any pressure at me about beton so you how we see a shape team no in the game no we are not even interested in the results because definitely you need say Mourinho and Real Madrid will grant the results but one you hear how Jose Mourinho for time long Obakache and say we should not expect that same Mourinho a different Mourinho number is he going with that tactical brains or the defense never team him identity in the cry then one of the major problems at Real Madrid last season was the tactical indiscipline about team him Mourinho beat him out this hard from the start of the game. The balance is being our midfield because talking about personals, Madrid in yebi wo. Inti the World Cup players on by field or the balance never the creativity be who the midfield. These are some of the things we are expecting from Jose Mourinho. On all things being equal, I expect Mourinho to win this game for club and any Real Madrid. Elsewhere, FC Barcelona Super Bowl game. Now you see, I think the perfect moment for Barca to start the La Liga now. Last week, in another year, on paper. Ricardo, in terms of organization, structural issue, now Barca for ready. Because this is a team who coach appointed 3 key departments on here, players to fit. From the center back, the midfield, and the attack. Our candidates are not. But going before say, first season, yes, did what about him. The good news for Barca for the cry say, Barca part time for players about now registration issue. He say player is eligible to play for them. Kobo healthy. Grounds that we know them say in terms of low block in the La Liga, this is a team that they omunim here. Barca game yin say Barca for bitimi akwa granted results. But one of the things announce your person Sunday you free Barca team nim the void about anymore because this is an FC Barcelona team going into the season. Robert Lewandowski and Ferran Torres goals and they are void. So when you coherent flex say is he playing that force now ya di hu komo and all the new candidate beba be shame Lami Yama wo Rafinha wo Godin Muni Adeyemi wo how the new guys can even blend with the old guys. The automatisms Niema last season Barca hu ye hu that must win mentality that consistency Barca nyaye otimibo games na lose ma and you go hard in every FC Barca team now. All things being equal, Barca so bo elche enye di money be so the Madrid and the Barca game some of the things personally me person me hu how the coaches will have a handprint on the team. Mourinho the pressure like a crowd because Juma na wabefa time wabefa no because you can't want some that and FC Barca at your person when you say any more na avoid na beton how coach ni beti
Dani Omo ntimi
yes Dani Omo beti me but I don't know say Dani Omo say World Cup rule na the man or bobo ni so me nim say Hans Flick beti me using no ha because maybe no Rodri start so in the perfect fit Barca team ne kono maybe Pedri Rodri Dani Omo juno nim then na ya widen Lamine Yamal and Rafinha with the flanks na nka yenyo be anymore but I have trust in Godin because Kaka hu ni training grounds and in the Barca players no that connection that organization with training grounds I'm expecting a lot from them. Elsewhere with England Manchester United ebo early kickoff. Now, Richard, the reason why and no na me di United and come on di ye pa ba ko say Manchester United and good start. No two ways about that. Manchester United team Richard obo we be okobo East pitch. Abebo Everton. A perfect time for Manchester United to do something here now. On the other side of the competition, I always love when coaches play that mind games with the media. Because now you say Kaka say, man phone down play 2 teams no mabano because Manchester nya good start. On person the pressure be call team so. Because you know yema atifu who say baby Manchester nam no if omo ye niam here no mo de ni ba Premier League so they can do something.
Last season nya good start crowd.
Thank you. And so now me say Amorim start here can you carry here maybe omo team league no. But Ricardo it is evident say commit me challenge for the Premier League because by a point of accumulate here is very clear. So baby Manchester United they fan obo we kobo and Arsenal chair no say oh you big team of Premier League nim na onye omo bana give them a proper baptism but almost ye. So Manchester United they go away there. It's a very open game I expecting. Yes, World Cup squad dey biaba injuries kakra wom but no me catch will say this is a Manchester United team at the core of the team Bruno Fernandes. Your team dey net trans. It's a game I see Manchester United to have an early goal. Bruno Fernandes will announce his presence. If all things being equal, maybe assist back could be Bruno the Betuma Momo. If any time score and Buamo, we should not be surprised, baby. But as I'm not making is a proper time for Manchester United. So 2 games no mabo. Omunya respectable scoreline film. Any a good scoreline from the Everton game. A City for Ninja because you name the City team ever. For Maresca class or didn't automatism back team no so yeah another issue. So I see Manchester United grabbing a very good result today to better their start in the Premier League. Andrew Arsenal ebo game. Now I think Sana Ghana for yes, Yebenya few kakadi ama Coventry because of 2 players or no more. Now me bia na de obia Arsenal team win. Omo ye scary teni who last season. Then 2, in terms of squad depth.
Squad depth too.
And Richard, any no kon. Arsenal team no. Oh, weakness. Only say the day Paris Saint-Germain play with Aston Villa, na make a check for say. Paris Saint-Germain need team that. Oh, who baby a weakness though. Senka oh bo against Abeka say had be Arsenal team was clear evident. Oh, who baby a weakness that.
Mikel Arteta wa chese on the pep na ejuma.
We see and papa.
The taste for success.
We see and
super.
And you see, the last time na make can say you will need for success theory. When organization or individual a tasty success, no moon said this is the pedestal mabedua. They always want to keep on winning. So it's an Arsenal teamer. Obi places second with the Premier League. Wabeji Bako. He was in the finals of the Champions League. So Obeko books no say there be a day no muye. Yes, we should build a team. We should be very consistent at the top. So stage now Arsenal, and the need for success theory. They will keep building, fighting for the success, and it's a perfect time. And Pep Guardiola be quite not a lot of new coaches now before the traditional clubs. So with the little Arsenal be homoko. I think Matia said the reason why I don't Arsenal Pep Vinicius Junior can be dangerous. As the team net down, only serious I want to be mobi because almost all the departments are playing. So ask the team that only God knows when they will stop scoring. It's very scary than even team name. It's early days yet, yes. But no more city. And no idea how they even manufacture their goals. And another Joe I was very enthusiastic yesterday watching them. And trust you me, it's a team that the Premier League teams will need to sit down and work against them.
I know I have Ranty Kingsman, Kalala. And I'm Martin in Canning Show 4.5 weekend edition. For message no